Hi, my name's Josh. I work here at Best Line Equipment here in Mechanicsburg. We're getting ready to hold an open house here coming in November. We'd like to show you what we have here to get you ready for this winter and in your fall season. So let's go take a look inside. Welcome inside Best Line Mechanicsburg. We're going to show you a couple things that we're going to do for our open house. Number one, let's start here. We got a deal going on, a really good deal. You can either buy an MS-261CM, which is a professional grade saw, MS-271, or an MS-291. Now here's the kicker. You buy those, you get this free carrying case, get a free chain, and a free hat. Can't get much better than that. As we look around our showroom here, some deals that we got going on. We got our Honda snowblowers. We have wheeled or tracked versions. We also have some leftover mower inventory that we might be doing some deals on too. You're just gonna have to come in and check it out. We got Husqvarna snow blowers. They're gonna be on sale too. You got leaf blowers, we got weed whackers, we got chainsaws, we have pole saws, we have all your fluids that you would need for any of your steel products. There might be a sale on them. Like I said, open house, you gotta come find out. It's all gonna be a lot of fun. All your fluids that you could ever need, bar oil, regular motor oil. With the open house, you might have some sales on that stuff. Good time to stock up. Not to mention you might be able to come here and get a Christmas gift. You know, maybe a kid wants something cool. Maybe you want something that's a little different. Kid likes being around you while you're outside. I have just a thing for it. Got a little boy that wants to come out and help you cut some wood. I got kids' toys. Not only do we got the chainsaw, we got a weed whacker and a leaf blower also. Come on in, come see me. My name's Josh, I'll be here. It's going to be a Friday and a Saturday. More details that might come out in another video a little bit later on. Until then, thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.